Assalamu alaikum guys, today we'll be making لحم صغار. For this recipe you'll need veal meat, onions, tomatoes, jalapenos, pepper, shredded garlic, spice mix and salt. Place the meat on a heated pan with some oil. Stir the veal meat until its color changes. Once the color of the meat has changed, add the onion into the pan and stir until it's fully cooked. Then add the spices, shredded garlic, jalapenos, and peppers and stir. After that, add the tomatoes and the salt. You could either serve it now or let it stay on low heat until the juices of the vegetables and the meat escape. This is another way to make this recipe using onions, tomatoes, black pepper, and salt. Your dish is ready. Enjoy! Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.